Welcome to the AutoCAD 2018 2D Fundamentals course, from Render. In this class we will present a presentation of the theme, the course and its organization. Come on, let's go. AutoCAD is one of the most used programs for the creation of projects in several areas. In it we find several commands so that the development of projects is fast, practical and intuitive. In this course we will learn how to use the main features of AutoCAD, knowing from the basic aspects of use of the program in the commands of tracing and editing geometries, to the stages of completion of the project. To facilitate learning, this course is organized into classes, where we will explain the concepts and use of commands, step by step. Practical examples, where we will review the topics covered. And complementary exercises, which are the tasks proposed for the student to do and train. In the first module of the course, the basic concepts of using the program. The basic editing commands, the use of coordinate systems and the organization of the AutoCAD interface will be presented. In the second module, we will see how to use most geometry tracing commands and we will know options that make it easier to get the desired result. In the third module, we will learn how to use various editing features of the program, in order to finalize the project being developed more quickly. In the fourth module, we will look at how to insert elements from the library and how to create and insert blocks to complement and facilitate the execution of the project. In the fifth module, we will learn to insert texts with information pertinent to the execution of the project and dimensionals, which are fundamental to the manufacture of the project. In the sixth module, we will look at how to finish the project, inserting the legend into the sheet and defining the necessary settings for printing the project. Finally, in the seventh module, we will make some examples and leave exercises for the student to train the knowledge acquired throughout the course. The Render team wishes you a great learning experience. Render, who knows teaches.